That constant drip, drip, drip from your bathtub faucet at 2 a.m. It's not just annoying, it's wasting gallons of water and money every single month. The good news? Fixing a leaking bathtub faucet is one of the most beginner-friendly repairs you can tackle. No plumber, no big bill. Today I'll show you exactly how to track down the leak and fix it for good. Let's get started. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share simple DIY fixes that save you time, money, and stress around the house. Today we're solving one of the most common bathroom headaches, a leaking bathtub faucet. Stick around to the end because I'll share a pro tip that'll help you avoid this problem coming back anytime soon. Part 1. Why bathtub faucets start leaking. So why does this happen in the first place? Most bathtub faucets leak because of a worn-out washer, O-ring, or cartridge inside the valve. Every time you turn the handle, those parts experience friction and wear. Over months and years, they degrade, and that's when you start seeing drips, even when the faucet is fully off. Mineral buildup from hard water can speed this process up too. The fix usually just means replacing one small worn part. Part 2. Tools you'll need. Here's what you'll want on hand for this fix. A Phillips or flathead screwdriver, depending on your handle. An adjustable wrench. Replacement washers, O-rings, or a cartridge matched to your faucet type. I'll show you how to figure that out in a second. Plumber's grease to help everything move smoothly. A towel, because there's always a little water involved. And a flashlight, since bathtub valves are often tucked behind an access panel. Pans to tools laid out neatly. Part 3. Shut off the water supply. Before you take anything apart, you need to shut off the water. Some homes have shut-off valves behind an access panel on the other side of the bathtub wall. If yours doesn't, you'll need to shut off the main water supply to the house. Once that's done, turn the faucet handle to release any leftover pressure and water in the line. Part 4. Remove the handle. Now let's get into it. Most handles have a small decorative cap on the front. Just pop that off with a flathead screwdriver. Underneath, you'll find a screw holding the handle in place. Remove that screw, and the handle should pull straight off. If it's stuck from mineral buildup, wiggle it gently or use a handle puller if you have one. Part 5. Access the valve stem or cartridge. With the handle off, you'll see either a valve stem with a retaining nut or a cartridge, depending on your faucet type. Use your adjustable wrench to loosen and remove the retaining nut, then pull the stem or cartridge straight out. Take a close look at it. This is where you'll usually spot the problem. A cracked O-ring, a worn-down washer, or mineral crust are all common culprits. Part 6. Replace the worn parts. Here's my pro tip. Take the old washer, O-ring, or cartridge with you to the hardware store. Matching it exactly makes sure you get the right replacement size the first time, instead of making 2 trips. Once you have the new part, apply a thin layer of plumber's grease before installing it. This helps it seat properly and extends its lifespan. Part 7. Reassemble and test. Now just reverse what you did. Slide the stem or cartridge back in, tighten the retaining nut, reattach the handle, and pop the decorative cap back on. Turn your water supply back on and test it out. Turn the faucet on and off a few times, then check closely for any drips. If it's nice and dry, you just fixed it yourself. Part 8. Bonus tip. Since you're already in there, take a look at the rubber gasket around your tub spout and shower diverter if you have one. These wear out over time too and are an easy fix while everything's already open. A little maintenance now saves you from another repair down the road. And that's it. No more dripping, no more wasted water, and no plumber bill. You just fixed your bathtub faucet like a pro. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY fixes, and share this with anyone dealing with a dripping faucet. Drop a comment below if you want me to cover other bathroom repairs. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.